AI is evolving fast and companies are cutting jobs. Are you at risk? Find out if a massive wave of layoffs is happening right now because of AI. In early 2026, giants such as Meta, Google, and Microsoft revealed plans to cut more than 150,000 jobs collectively. These layoffs are partly linked to the widespread adoption of AI technologies aimed at automating tasks. Yahoo Finance reports this surge in job cuts is one of the largest in recent years, driven by AI's ability to streamline operations and reduce workforce needs in certain roles. The layoffs are not random. Employees in data entry, customer support, and entry-level programming positions are most vulnerable. AI systems now handle routine data processing, chatbots manage customer queries, and code generation tools assist or replace junior programmers. This shift means the jobs that once seemed secure are now increasingly automated, pushing companies to downsize these teams. Executives at these tech companies argue that AI allows them to operate more efficiently and keep pace with global competitors. By automating repetitive tasks, they say they can reallocate resources to innovation and growth areas. However, this also means fewer employees are needed, prompting widespread layoffs. The message is clear. AI is not just a tool for growth, but a driver of structural workforce change. For workers affected by these layoffs, the future hinges on adapting to new roles. Experts stress the importance of reskilling and upskilling, especially in AI management, data analysis, and creative problem-solving. Companies and governments are beginning to invest more in training programs to help displaced workers transition into technology-driven roles that AI cannot easily replace. The rapid pace of AI adoption means that workers and companies must act quickly. Delaying adaptation risks prolonged unemployment or underemployment. This wave of AI-driven layoffs is not just a temporary disruption. It's a sign of a profound shift in how work and productivity are defined in the digital age. The time to prepare is now. AI-driven layoffs are reshaping the job market faster than ever. If your role involves repetitive tasks, you could be at risk. Upskilling and staying informed are critical to securing your future. Subscribe now to stay ahead on how AI impacts your career and what you need to do next.